What's going on, guys? Here's the Golden Cards Magic channel on YouTube. Today in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to outjog the card from the back. It is a basic move, so I get the card about the center of the deck. Then all what I have to do is just do like this, and I get the card outjogged from the back. I'll show you it one more time. I have the card, I just do like this, and I have the card outjogged from the back. Alright, so I'll try to explain the whole move for you right now, and I will break it down for you. Of course, I have the selection, the 7 of diamonds about the center of the deck, and what I'm gonna be doing next is go with my middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. These three fingers, I put them at the front of the card, and my index finger, it is not doing anything more than blocking the view. And you have to be careful, your thumb, it is from the left side, and from the right side I have these four fingers, they are right next to each other, of course. And my thumb, it is from the bottom. Right now I go with my right hand, I start pushing the selection to the bottom, then I push it to the left side. Alright, and my index finger can right now push it a little bit to the bottom, and if you look at the card you can see that this part of the card will appear from the right side, and your fingers must be in this position. And if you look at the deck from another angle, you can see that I have this part from the top, a part from the left side, a part from the right side, and even from the bottom I have the bottom left corner. It appears from the bottom. Of course, you are covering everything with your right hand. Now you go with the thumb, you push the top left corner to the right side, and right now all what you have to do is square everything up, and right now you have the card outjogged from the back. I will explain the move one last time. I have the Jack of Clubs, I put it about the center of the deck, and I am in the mechanics grip. Four fingers, they are from the right side. I have my thumb, it is on the top of the deck or on the left side, doesn't matter. Right now I go with my right hand. Of course, there is no windows between my four fingers. I push the card to the bottom, and I push it a little bit to the left side. If you look at the deck, you can see that I have this corner right here, this corner right here, and this corner right here. Right now, of course, I'm covering everything with my right hand. I push the top left corner with my thumb. I can push it with my index, then I push it with my thumb. Right now, you will end up in this position. Sometimes you get this little corner on the top, it doesn't matter. And you have about half of the deck outjogged from the right side. And of course, you are covering everything with your right hand. You go right now and you square with your left hand everything up, and you get the card outjog from the back. You will use the outjog move in a lot of controls. For example, the Lukul control, I have the joker right now jumps to the top of the deck. This is the first control. The second control looks like this. I go with the Jack of Diamonds, I outjogged right now, and all what I have to do is just do like this. I don't know if I flashed, but however, the Jack of Diamonds right now, it is on the top of the deck. Or you can use the outjog move to control the card to the top using cuts like the double undercut, where you end up with the selection on the top of the deck. Or you can do the triple undercut, which I like more, and you end up in the same position. So thank you a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for the channel, and see you guys in the next video.
Damn.